You know the states of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, which exist today in the southern part of India. They are conjoined by the Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills are the epicenter which conjoins the boundaries of all three states. You know, earlier Karnataka was ruled by a kingdom which was known as Pandya kingdom, while Tamil Nadu was ruled by a Chol kingdom, and Kerala was earlier ruled by Chera kingdom. So, Kerala, Chera kingdom, Tamil Nadu, Chola kingdom. It also extended from Tamil Nadu towards Andhra Pradesh and Odisha once, and Karnataka, where there existed a kingdom, Pandya kingdom. All three kingdoms' history has been written in a book which is popularly known as Sangam literature. Sangam literature is a literature which portrays the history of all three kingdoms, Pandya, Cholas, and Cheras, their conflicts and their relations. You know, and there is one famous story from a chair king. There was a chair king, his name was Nandu Chalian. Nandu Chalian was once an emperor, and in his court, he convicted his own servant in the offense of stealing a necklace. But later he found out that when that man was finally sentenced to death, he found out that he was not guilty. And in that guilt, because he believed that as a king, I have given a wrong order, I've convicted an innocent person, and I would have to bear the brunt. He finally decided to take his own life, and he took his own life because he was a just ruler, and he did a mistake by convicting an innocent person. So there are certain kings in our history who stand for justice, who stand for rectitude. हमारे इतिहास में एक ऐसा समय था जब दक्षिण भारत में चेर किंगडम था, जो केरला के राज्य के आसपास था, और तमिलनाडु राज्य के आसपास चोल किंगडम था, कर्नाटका के राज्य के आसपास पांड्य किंगडम था। एंड ये तीनों ही किंगडम्स आपस में देयर वाज कॉर्डियल रिलेशन भी था, एंड देयर वर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स भी थे। एंड देयर इज अ फेमस स्टोरी फ्रॉम अ रूलर हु वाज फ्रॉम केरला। ही वाज द रूलर ऑफ द चेर किंगडम। चेर किंगडम का एक राजा था, उसका नाम नंदू जलियन था, और उसने एक बार गलत निर्णय कर दिया, अपने नौकर को गलती से मौत की सज़ा सुना दी। उसके ऊपर ये इल्ज़ाम लगा था कि उसने जब नेकलेस चुराया है, ठीक है, गहने चुराए हैं, और उसे मौत की सज़ा दी गई। पर उसे बाद में पता चला कि उसने नहीं चुराया है। तो नंदू जलियन चूँकि एक न्यायप्रिय राजा थे, उन्होंने ये निर्णय लिया कि मैं स्वयं की जान ले लूँगी, और उन्होंने आत्महत्या कर ली। He committed suicide. So, you know, earlier people were man of their words. Everything they did, even if they did slight mistake, they just acknowledged it that I have done this mistake and I should pay for this. Not like today's world, you know, आजकल के लोग कहाँ एक्सेप्ट करते हैं। पर हमारे ऐसे लीडर्स हुआ करते थे, ऐसे किंग्स हुआ करते थे हिस्ट्री में, जो एक एग्जाम्पल है कि अगर कुछ गलती हो तो हमें स्वीकार करना चाहिए। वी शुड एक्सेप्ट आवर मिस्टेक्स, एंड बाय एक्सेप्टिंग आवर मिस्टेक्स we are not going, our honor is not going to be lessened. Our honor is still going to be prominent. It is still going to be escalating. हमारा सम्मान फिर भी रहेगा। तो ऐसे राजाओं से हमें सीखना चाहिए, just like Nandu Chalian. Thank you very much.